I know, I've never ran into somebody like, it's like they're all, it's like it brings joy almost, or smiles. Yeah, it's definitely a car to slow down in. My name is Blue, and this is my 1964 Impala Convertible. I've had this car for almost 7 years now. I got it in 2019. So when I got the car, it was in pretty good shape, so I didn't have to do much on the outside, but as far as bodywork goes. But I pretty much put the air rod suspension, the 13-inch wire wheels, because you have to give it that lowrider look. I did the full Ciudadela interior out of Arizona, and that's actually out of a '59 Impala. I put the skirts in the back. Outside, pretty much stock how it is. I think they look good how it is. You don't have to do a whole lot to them. Just kind of get them low on the ground is really what I was trying to achieve. I guess the most unique thing about this car is the interior. 59 Impalas, I like those cars, and I really wanted something, I wanted to add to it, so I used a 59 style Impala interior, and I got that out of Arizona, called Ciudadela Interiors, and my friend Brian, he actually did the upholstery for me. Driving this car, actually, it feels pretty cool. You don't really go anywhere real fast. You're just kind of like slowing down and cruising, and real slow paced. And with it being a convertible, you tend to notice things a lot more and kind of look around and notice the surroundings. I've never been on a motorcycle before, so I would say this is the next best thing to it. And it's just, most of the time I don't even have to really have a destination. I'll literally just cruise around, nowhere to go. Just gas will be $10 a gallon, and I'll still waste all of it just to go nowhere. But it's a pretty good feeling. It's the slow pace, the cruising, and the music, and just having a good time and the nice weather, because you don't have very much of it in Memphis, so we use it as much as I can. What I really like the most is, the people I've met, and, just cruising around, and then the random people that just come up to me and ask me about the car, and how they've had a car, their grandparents had a vehicle similar to it, and it's really cool because the car has got me so many opportunities, that I can never get by myself. I've traveled all around the United States, all through because of cars, and some of my lifelong friends are cars, and all through I've met from just, through the Impala. And I think that's the best part of it all.